Welcome to today's video where we dive into a common problem that many developers face when dealing with multithreading. The problem of efficient object allocation and deallocation in a multi-threaded environment can be quite challenging to tackle. Many solutions have been proposed, including the use of thread local storage, TLS, smart pointers, and lock-free data structures. However, these solutions may not always be intuitive or effective in addressing the issue at hand. In the solution provided, a MemoryPool class is implemented to efficiently manage object allocation and deallocation in a multi-threaded environment. The MemoryPool class maintains a pool of objects and uses STD, mutex for thread safe access. The class includes methods such as acquire, to obtain an object from the pool, and release, to return an object to the pool. Additionally, an STD, atomic counter, is used to track the number of successful object acquisitions. Multiple worker threads are created to demonstrate the functionality of the MemoryPool class in action. Continuing with the solution, the MemoryPool class constructor initializes the pool with a specified number of objects. The acquire method safely acquires an object from the pool using STD, scoped_lock, ensuring that only one thread accesses the pool at a time. The release method returns an object to the pool in a thread-safe manner. The STD mutex MTX guarantees exclusive access to the pool, while the counter keeps track of successful object acquisitions. By creating and joining multiple threads, the demonstration showcases the efficiency of the MemoryPool in managing objects within a multi-threaded context. In summary, the implementation of a MemoryPool class provides an effective solution for managing object allocation and deallocation in multi-threaded applications. By utilizing STD, mutex for thread safety, and STD, atomic for counter updates, the MemoryPool demonstrates efficient resource management. The example highlights the importance of proper synchronization and data access control in multi-threaded programming. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below.